What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you how to get into the secret underground room in the underground waterways right under the Tsuki Castle. The entrance for this is over here, just to the southeast by the corner here. What you need to do is find this little submarine thing and swim just under to this little grate here. So, when you come down here, you need to look out for tripwires. There'll be one in here that you need to disarm in order to get through to the next area. Just as you can see here, I'll defuse this one and swim in. Then when you get to here, you'll need to come across and complete some very simple parkour. When you're done with this, hop across into the next room here and head down to the doorway. By doing so, it'll simply open up just like magic. Now, inside of here, there's tons and tons of loot. It really is a little awesome place to come to for tons of loot. There's 3 orange boxes, 2 weapons boxes, or weapon cabinets rather, and usually some really good items in here. It's a really good spot to come. Anyways, that's a pretty cool little secret area in the underground, just under the Tsuki Castle. Thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.